Hello guys, purto di video guys. Oh, magkuanta dire. Kanta og lamas. Is purto di video guys ha. Ato mag-clean kuanta ni. Naghihimo taog. Is this ay making fish lumpia. Oh. Ay, di na siya fish lumpia kanang fish kanang Shanghai na siya. Kung sila pa Shanghai na dahil na dahil. This is a Baguio beans. This is a cabbage. Potato. Carrot. Ato lang ning ko ano, ulo-ulo, remove the head and tail. Okay. I remove this is Baguio beans, I remove the head and tail. Yung red and tail, da ikog-ikog og datukan, ulo-ulo. Mo na siya. It's damage. Okay, now let's do like this. Paturan niya raspahon para di tama. Dahil magsiki. Oh. Mag-steam tao kwan niya. Mag-steam tao isda. Steam tao isda. Steam tao isda. Among isda kay tuloy lang kanang. Tuloy pa rin ang laban. Tuloy to bino? Tuloy to yung magpalit be? Ako to karong kuan o kuan. I-steam na ko og jutay lamang. Anya, tapos himay-himayo na pudayo na ko. The carrots here in the Philippines in the market is very expensive. No? I don't know. Happen. Pilang kilo sa carrots? Be? Ha? Oh, say 120. The 1 kilo. Expensive. Expensive than the rice. Oh. See? Better you eat all rice. Sa? If If you buy carrots, very expensive. You can buy 2 kilos of rice. Oh, how many times you eat the rice, the carrots, you eat only carrots? Cannot satisfied.
Only main course.
Mm. You eat all carrots. You look like a rabbit. The Filipino people too much love the eat the rice. Oh. Even no sudan. No saan ang sudan be?
Main course.
Main course? Main course daw. Even no main course. Ni, bunsaluan po dahil, bukbukuan po dahil ni ang carrots be. Ang kuan be? Ang kuan. Potato ba? Ikuan. Lain na dyan.
Inabay na.
Ako ni ipaturo. Ito. Kuan siya, daot siya. Kuyawan niya. See? Divide this one. Oh. Not good. In Bisaya is butikol. But I don't know in English. Broken. Broken. It's kuan. Unsa na? It's a reject. Cannot use anymore. What is the anymore? My English is very sana it's very sana nga nana gahi, very strong, very sana I don't know what do you call that one, not sana but lang basta muna to. My English is English kinarabaw. It's very difficult to speak English. Akong hawak sakit. You know, my hawak is very sakit. This one, the cabbage, I doing like this. Okay. The Filipino people too much eat rice. Oh, you know? Then later I make ginisa this one. Oh, and then I drain. And then after that,
Be, ikaw sa be.
ah,
Iup sa.